This is the sliding R sound. So in this exercise, we need to implement the 2-finger technique. That's where we open our mouth long enough so that 2 fingers can fit inside this way. So this is how it's going to go. It's just an R sound and we go up and down in pitch. Alright, now I want you to try it with me. Let's go together. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now for this last time, I want you to do it on your own. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job. Make sure you do this 3 to 5 times every time you warm up.